I'm going to get one too. The S's are too hard to pick up. Oh. Can I borrow your computer a minute?
Yeah.